It's so crazy.
Yeah, blow harder.
These motherfuckers. They just look like an asshole. Like nobody.
That motherfucker there, he said, fuck that goddamn car.
For real.
I would bust that goddamn window out.
For real. Somebody's going to. They're gonna end up in a ditch.